today we're announcing that on Tuesday we'll drop the ADUFA bill, which is the Animal Drug User Fee Act, which will be the third, in essence, authorization and the second reauthorization of a bill that has really helped streamline the process to make sure that drugs that veterinarians use get processed speedily through the system so they can have access to it immediately. There's a user fee involved. It successfully decreased the backlog when it was first instituted 8 years ago, and the industry, which is represented here by the pork producers and the Beef Association, are in full support of this so that we can move quickly in the process of getting these new drugs permitted and through the process. We're here at the also with the Farm Bureau and at the Farm Bureau in Madison County, which is in Edwards, Illinois. So with that, I'd like to turn it over to Daryl, who's representing the Farm Bureau, and to talk about their support of the legislation.
Well, as a general farm organization with a lot of livestock producers as members, we certainly support legislation like this. I'm a beef producer. I raise cattle with my daughter. That's her 4-H and FFA project, and it's a great way to teach young kids responsibility for caring for things and business aspects of any kind of industry. But it also, no matter what we do, we find that animals get sick. And when animals get sick, you call your veterinarian, and you want him to be able to give you something that's going to make those animals better and lessen their sufferings. And legislation like this that brings in new drugs as quickly as they can be, as possible, that they've been scientifically looked at, is a win-win for everybody.
And livestock industry in Illinois is a big part of what we do, and one of the big success stories is the growth of the pork producing industry, led by none other than the Mashoff family, and here representing them is Ray from the Mashoffs.
Yes, very good. Dan Sprague, and as Congressman said, with the Mashoffs, and first, Congressman, certainly appreciate your support on this very important reauthorization. It is critical to our business, and certainly have a strong presence here in the state of Illinois. We've been really blessed with some tremendous growth, and have a strong network of production partners in Southern Illinois and throughout the Midwest. So I think as we enter into the hearing next week and trying to get this reauthorization to take place, it is very critical. I think as we look at animal health products and the impact it has on our industry, they are critical, and to expedite that, as you talked about, is a very important piece. And certainly as these products then become available to the pork industry, it really ensures that we're able to produce a safe food product and maintain very good animal and herd health. So again, I appreciate your very strong support on this. You're a tremendous ally to the pork industry, and I know the entire Mashoff family appreciates it as well.
Well, thank you, and I'll just end by these products will go into the food supply of American citizens all across the country, and the basic premise is healthy animals produce a healthy food supply, and that's the basic premise. It's worked successfully over the years. Absolutely. We just need to reauthorize this bill so we continue to have that great process of ensuring that the food that people buy over the counter is a safe food supply.